At the end of this video, you will learn how you can edit your pictures from sad face to happy face, from a male to female, with or without glasses, with beards or without beards. It's quite simple, guys. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. We'll be downloading an app from the store for this purpose. From the store, download Face app. This is the app we'll be using to do this. Install this app, open it, and give the necessary permissions for this app to function very well. Install Face app, open, and give the necessary permissions. It is installed now. I will open it. Create the perfect look. Next. Have lots of fun. Next. Edit backgrounds. Next. Let's get started. You can add color effects. Here, allow access. Please allow access to your gallery to see your photos. Make sure you give this access. Select any picture from your gallery for this purpose. I'll be using this picture. Here we can change the hairstyle, the size of the face. You can change the makeup, the skin, the smile, the hair color, the age, the gender. You can decide to add glasses and all of that. Let's change the age first. I want to change the age, maybe to baby face, to a child, a teenager, young 3, young 2, and the rest of them. I want to look like a child. Oh, let me go with baby face. Baby face 4. Wow. Click continue. I can decide to change the gender, the hair color, the smile. I want to smile, okay? I'll change it to classic. Once you are done, click continue right here and continue editing. You can change the makeup. Let me change the hairstyle to this. I'm changing the hairstyle now. Wow. Click continue. I can change the age too. Let me change the age. I need glasses. You need these glasses. Okay, wear glasses and continue. Let's add beard. The full one. I need this. Wow. Click continue. Once you are done, don't forget to save. Don't forget to save it, guys. This is what I want. This is exactly what I want. You can change the gender, the face, the hair, sad face to happy face. Just have fun with this app, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Do make sure you share this video with your friends. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.